LOTIS-7 is an international Phase Ib clinical trial. We evaluated the combination of Loncastuximab with Glofitamab in patients with relapsed refractory B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The study consisted of part 1, or dose escalation, where patients received Loncastuximab at 90, 120, and 150 micrograms per kilo with indolent and aggressive B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma treated with 2 or more lines of therapy. The dose expansion included Loncastuximab at 120 or 150 micrograms per kilo for the first 2 cycles in combination with Glofitamab in patients with aggressive histologies such as de novo diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, high-grade B-cell lymphoma, transformed follicular lymphoma, and follicular lymphoma grade 3B, treated with 1 or more lines of therapy. Patients received on day 1 obinutuzumab and on day 2 Loncastuximab, and subsequently on day 8 started Glofitamab at step-up doses. Starting on cycle 2, the patient received on the same day Loncastuximab with Glofitamab with a fixed duration of Loncastuximab for up to 8 cycles and a fixed duration of Glofitamab of up to 12 cycles. Regarding the safety analysis, the most common AE was neutropenia. That is, was similar rates as single-agent Loncastuximab and Glofitamab without an additive effect on this toxicity. Other common AEs, grade 3 or higher, were anemia, thrombocytopenia, and GGT elevation. Importantly, there was no grade 5 toxicities. The incidence of CRS was low, with a lower incidence in the 150 compared to 120 microgram per kilo dose level, and there were only 3 patients, with the majority of them having grade 1 CRS, and there were only 3 patients that developed ICANS, 1 patient grade 1, 2 patients grade 2. There were no grade 3 or higher ICANS. In the efficacy analysis, the overall response rate was 93% with a CR rate of 86.5%. Importantly, the median duration of response was not reached, and the patient treated with a 150 dose level achieved a quicker response at 42 days compared to 80 days in the patient treated at 120 microgram per kilo dose level. Among the 26 patients that achieved a complete response, 25 remains in CR at the time of the current follow-up. 2 patients achieved a partial response that also contained remission. Importantly, 12 patients that initially achieved a PR or stable disease response subsequently improved to CR. Based on the shorter time to achieve a complete response and lower incidence of CRS, for the trial now selected Loncastuximab at 150 micrograms per kilo for the initial 2 doses and subsequently decreased to 75 micrograms per kilo for up to 8 cycles in combination with Glofitamab for further expansion of the study cohort.